If you're looking for juicy crab legs at home, today I'm going to show you my favorite way making crab legs in the oven takes less than 30 minutes. Let's get started. To begin, I have 2 pounds of snow crab here. I'm going to transfer it to a baking tray. Make sure it's oven safe. I purchased these at Aldi, so if you have one, definitely check them out. I forgot the price, but they were very affordable and they're well cut. So now that I have them in my baking tray, I'm going to season it. Now I have the Island Vibe Cajun crust seasoning here, a little bit of my Golden Bay. You can find it on islandvibecooking.com with a little bit of lemon pepper and paprika. I like to mix them together before I add them to the crab. So mix them up and then just sprinkle it. I usually add a lot of it on the crab claw, not claw, this part. Forget what you call this part. But once you're done, you can just sprinkle the rest all over. Yes, I know it's a lot of seasoning, but trust me, it's gonna come out really good. It's mostly paprika, just to say that. And also I have some garlic that we're going to add in there as well. And when I add the garlic, I like to add it right on top of the claw, just like this. Also, we have some chopped onion that we're going to add. Next, I'm going in with some hot sauce because I do like it spicy, you know. Also, you can use some cayenne pepper if you like, but we'll go with some Louisiana hot sauce. And because I do like a little sauce in my crab boil, I like to add a little bit of chicken broth just to dilute the butter. We're going in with the butter in a few. So I'll say about a cup or half a cup. Now I'm adding 1 stick of unsalted butter. Keep that in mind so you don't make it salty. Okay, just add it in there. And also, I know I added some lemon pepper, but I do like it very citrusy, so I'm going in with some lemon. Like to squeeze it on top of where the meat of the crab is, just so it can be super citrusy, just half. Now I'm going to cover this with a foil. And I currently have my oven on 350. I'm going to bake it for about 15-20 minutes, 15 minutes actually. And now we wait. How easy was that? The crab is ready, y'all. Ooh, it looks amazing and it smells really good. So take a good look. And right now, as we speak, I have my eggs already boiling, okay? So let's transfer it so we can plate it for y'all. All right, y'all, look at this. Looks so good. By the time you drive to Red Lobster, this will be ready for you, y'all. It's quick, easy, and delicious. I know y'all will take my word for it. Like, this is delicious. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you take my words for it. These are absolutely delicious. I made these over and over and over. It's always a success. I have braces. I can't be cracking on crabs right now, but hope you enjoy it. Leave me a comment down below if you're going to try it out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, y'all.